is a square number or not. Let us take the question. Find out whether 45 is a square number or not. Now, how do you identify whether a particular number is a square number or not? One of the easiest way is to start from 1 and start finding out the square of these numbers. So we know square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 3 into 3 is equal to 9, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, 5 into 5 is equal to 25, 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Why? Because we know that the square of a number is that number. So let's say 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Square of a number is basically equal to that number multiplied by itself. So in this case, I have got all the square numbers. Now 45, as I see, falls between 36, right, and 49. It lies somewhere here, right? So 36 and 49. So if 45 is a square number, if 45 is a square number, then what? Tell me, then what? Apply your mind. Then it has to be equal to x square is equal to 45, where x is a, what was x? X was a natural number. Now we know that 45 is not equal to 6 square. 6 into 6 is not equal to 45. Similarly, 7 into 7 is also not equal to 45. It is greater than 45, right? This is less than 45. So the square or the value of x has to be between 6 and 7, right? Why? Because there has to be a number which, when multiplied by itself, gives 45. But here we know neither 6 nor 7 when multiplied by itself gives 45. 7 is more, 6 is less. So the number has to be between these two. But another condition is that x has to be a natural number. So we know that there is a number between 6 and 7 whose square, x's square is equal to 45. But between these two, there is no natural number. Right? Hence, 45 is not a square number. Because if it were a square number, then there has to be the value of x has to be a natural number, which is not possible given the analysis that 45 falls between these two numbers, and between these two numbers there is no natural number. So to identify whether a number is a square number or not, the simplest method is you start finding out the squares of consecutive number, okay, and then kind of see whether the number you are asked falls between, is equal to, not falls between, is equal to any of those numbers. If it falls between the squares of two consecutive natural numbers, then it is not a square of a particular number.